Hi children, how are you? My name is S. Venkatalakshmi, PSCRT in KGBV Bhogapuram, Vizianagaram district. Welcome to Physical Science class. Do you know Physical Science? No? Okay. Let now discuss. Up to 7th class we have only 6 subjects. Telugu, Hindi, English, Maths, Science, Social. But if you come to 8th class, you have 7 subjects because of science divides to 2 parts. First one is PS and second one BS. PS means Physical Science. BS means Biological Science. Okay children? Now 12 lessons in Physical Science in 8th class. There are first lesson force, second lesson friction, third lesson matter around us, fourth lesson synthetic fibers and plastics, fifth lesson metals and non-metals, sixth lesson sound, seventh lesson coal and petroleum, eighth lesson combustion, fuels and flame, ninth lesson electric conductivity of liquids, 10th lesson reflection of light by plane surfaces, 11th lesson some natural phenomena, and 12th lesson stars and solar system. These 12 lessons belongs to Physical Science in 8th class. Okay children, now we discuss about first lesson force. Topics given in this lesson force. Okay, now we discuss what given topics in force. Force introduction, force activities, force definition, push, examples of force, pull definition, examples of pull and push and pull, examples of push and pull, types of force, contact force, definition of contact force, activities of contact force, examples of contact force, types of contact force, muscular force, activities of muscular force, definition of muscular force, examples of muscular force, force of friction, activities of friction, definition of friction, examples of friction, normal force, normal force definition, activities of normal force, examples of normal force, tension force, activities of tension, tension definition, examples of tension, Forces at a distance. Forces at a distance definition. Activities. Force at a distance examples. Force at a distance activities. Types of non-contact force. Gravitational force. Definition of gravitational force. Examples of gravitational force. Activities of gravitational force. Magnetic force definition. Definition of magnetism. Examples of magnetic force. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force definition. Activities of electrostatic force. Examples of electrostatic force. Net force. Net force definition. Effect of net force. Free body diagram. Forces acting on free body diagram. Pressure. Activities of pressure. Definition of pressure. Examples of pressure. Effect of force. These are all topics given in this lesson. Force. Okay children, today we are discussing with my 8th class physics chapter force. Okay, so this is the first chapter in 8th class physical science textbook. So it is very easiest chapter. We already often hear this word force. What is meant by first? Let us we discuss. Okay children, in this diagram, two students are pushing the table. So both are pushing opposite direction. Both are pushing opposite direction. Is the table moving from any of the direction? So the both are having the equal energy. So the both are pushing it. But table cannot be moved. Now we have to observe some of the activities of force. In today's class, force definition. Let me explain now what is force. So many activities doing in our daily life. For example, kicking the ball, riding bicycle, stretch the rubber band, picking a stone, walk on the road, jumping, running, combing, climbing, writing on the board, etc. But one thing, all activities covered, that is force. Let me explain now. When the kicked the ball, our leg applied force on ball and ball received force. I give another example. When the picked the stone, our fingers applied force on stones and stone received the force. Now let us discuss exact definition of force. Force is a push or pull upon an object. Now I explain push and pull. Push and pull are opposite direction. And push forces. A push force that moves an object away from another object. For example, kicking the ball, moving the car, throwing a newspaper, and riding a cycle, and hitting the ball, and another example, and pressing the 4. These all activities belongs to push forces. Next, pull forces. Pull, a force that moves an object closer to another object. For example, drawing the water from the well, tuck over, and lifting the bag, and sipping juice with a straw, and picking a stone, etc. These all activities belongs to pull forces. Next, push and pull forces. For example, digging the borewell and erase the blackboard. These all activities belongs to push and pull. Okay children, next, can you see directly the force acting on your body? No, we can't directly see the forces acting on your body. But when a force is applied to an object, what can happen? Okay, let us discuss. When a force is applied to an object, the following can happen. Let me discuss. Force changes the speed of an object. For example, kick a ball which is at rest. The ball moves with some speed. So, force can change the speed of an object. And second one, force changes the shape of an object. For example, hold a sponge with your hand. If we apply force on it, the shape of the sponge changes. Third one, force changes the direction of an object. For example, if we apply force on a carom striker, the coin and striker may move in different directions. So, force changes the speed of an object, shape of an object, direction of an object. Okay, children, understood? Once again, I explain now. What is a force? A force is push or pull upon an object. Next, what is push forces? A push is a force moving something away from you. Next, what is pull forces? A pull is a force moving something towards you. And next, what changes? Force can changes an object. A force can changes direction of an object. Second one, a force can changes shape of an object. A force can changes speed of an object. Children, what you learned today class? We learned about force, force definition, examples of force, force definition, examples of force, full definition, examples of full, and about force and force changes an object, etc. Children, I hope that understand this topic. Now I give you homework and do some activities in your home. What activities? List out the push activities. Second one, list out the pull activities. Third one, list of the force activities. Okay children, do it. And now children, write down your homework. First one is what is force. Second one is what changes can be produced by a force. State an example for a situation. Okay children, thank you to all. Bye.